Notta is a game changer for anyone looking to transcribe audio into text quickly and accurately. But before you jump in and hit that buy button, there are a few things you need to know to ensure you're making the right decision. Stick with me until the end, because you'll want to hear about what sets Notta apart from other transcription tools on the market. First things first, Notta's accuracy is impressive. It stands out compared to competitors like Otter.ai and Rev, especially when it comes to its support for multiple languages and its ability to handle different accents. Whether you're transcribing a podcast, an interview, or a lecture, Notta's AI-driven engine does a great job of keeping up with diverse speech patterns, making it one of the more reliable tools available. In fact, in my experience using Notta, I found that it nailed most transcriptions, with only a couple of errors that were easy to correct. Next thing to keep in mind is its pricing structure. Notta offers competitive pricing compared to others in the space. But here's the catch. They do have a tiered system based on features. If you're just starting out and need basic transcription, the free version gives you a taste of the software with limited minutes. However, if you need more minutes or additional features like exporting text in various formats, the paid plans will be more appropriate. What's great is that they offer a no-commitment, free trial, which means you can actually test out the premium features without paying upfront. This is a huge advantage over some competitors that lock essential features behind a paywall. The third thing you'll want to know is that Notta integrates well with other platforms. Unlike some transcription tools that require you to manually upload audio files, Notta allows for seamless integrations with Google Drive, Dropbox, and other cloud services. This is perfect for teams who want to quickly share their transcripts or automate their workflow. Plus, it supports automatic timestamping and speaker identification, which is a big time saver when transcribing longer files with multiple speakers. The fourth thing that I think sets Notta apart is its user interface. Notta has a clean, intuitive design that makes it easy to navigate, even for someone who's never used transcription software before. It doesn't bombard you with unnecessary features or complicated settings. Everything you need is right there in front of you, which means less time learning the software and more time transcribing. This user-friendly experience is something that Notta nails, making it ideal for both professionals and casual users alike. Next, let's talk about its customer support. Now, Notta's customer service isn't perfect, but it's a lot more responsive than many of its competitors. I reached out with a couple of questions, and I was impressed by the quick response time. There's also a helpful FAQ section, as well as a community forum where users can share tips and solutions. It's not 24/7 support, but they're definitely above average in terms of responsiveness. Another important factor to consider is the speed of transcription. Notta does a solid job here, especially when you're using its premium features. Depending on the audio quality, it can transcribe files fairly quickly, even for longer recordings. While some services may have a longer turnaround time for bulk transcriptions, Notta generally delivers fast results, which is a big win for those who need quick turnaround for meetings or interviews. And the last thing to note is Notta's focus on privacy and security. Unlike some other tools that store your audio files and transcripts for future use, Notta takes privacy seriously. They don't store your content beyond what's necessary to transcribe it, and they're transparent about their data policies. This makes it a great option for businesses and individuals who need secure, confidential transcriptions. So, before you make your decision, remember that Notta is a powerful tool, especially if you need quick, accurate, and secure transcriptions. If you're ready to try it out for yourself, click the first link in the description below. Not only will you get the best offer, but you'll also be able to test Notta completely free. That's your chance to explore all the features and see how it compares to the competition without committing. Try it out now and unlock exclusive benefits.